Alright, we're going to change the front speed sensor on the 6.5 today on the transmission. That is right, turn around here, right there, that plug, this one. And it looks like that right there. Okay. Unplugged. Just one bolt. Should just pop out of there, but they've got it buried up in here pretty good. Hopefully I don't have to take the drive shaft down. I don't think so. Find what size bolt this is. Shoot, a 10. That's small. The ratchet. There's the old one. You can get the bolt started. Sensors came in a 2-pack because there's a front sensor and a rear sensor. I prefer to just do one thing at a time so that I know if the problem goes away, what actually fixed the problem. I hate doing shotgun approach and, you know, fix 2 or 3 things at once and then not really know what fixed what. so that's all there is to changing that sensor out. The tool actually needs a 10mm wrench or socket ratchet. Well, unhook the batteries for about 10 minutes or so that it clears the codes. I don't have a scanner for these trucks, or these OBD1 systems, cars, trucks. So I unhook the battery because the check engine light was on, so I want to be sure that it's cleared off before I start it back up. That way we know for sure whether or not we fixed the problem. So again, I'm doing the front speed sensor on the 4L80D transmission. I have a check engine light and some shifting issues. We seem to have taken care of the shifting issues for the most part with the new throttle position sensor, but I still don't have overdrive, and I come across some information online that said if you're getting a check engine light and no overdrive, that the front speed sensor doesn't set a code, but it'll turn a check engine light on. So I tried putting the front speed sensor in the transmission, and we'll see if that gets rid of our check engine light. It's miserably hot here today. I think it's in the 90s and the heat index is 108. Who knew the Midwest was so tropical? Took it for a quick test drive and the check engine light come on again, but I still have all 4 gears, shifts 3 times. I just don't have the lockup on the torque converter. Not really sure. Go ahead and check the code and see what. I'm sure there probably aren't any codes. I've also read that if it doesn't see 160 degrees, 165 degrees maybe, that it doesn't lock up the torque converter because it's trying to warm the engine up quicker. There is a coolant temperature switch that controls that. I don't know, maybe that's probably check continuity on it now and see kind of where it's at, but there's also a coolant switch or sensor that controls the glow plug relay, and once it's warmed up it doesn't come on anymore, so something in there is working. I don't know if those two are connected. We'll just keep working at it and see what we can figure out.